Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Dravi Voyage. This is the second video of my vlog, the Venice series, and as you can see lots of gondolas in the background. Today we're gonna do a city view of San Marco. We're gonna go to San Angelo, visit the bell tower, and then in the end we're gonna also do a gondola ride. So as you can see, they are all getting ready here now to go ahead with the gondola ride, and we're gonna do the same thing in the evening. So watch out and be ready. Hey guys, this is San Marco place, Piazza San Marco. Basically it's a patrimony apparently also. It's early morning here. It's I think 9:30, yeah, 9:45. That's the Basilica on San Marco, and this is the bell tower of San Marco. We're gonna try to go up on the bell tower and see if we get tickets in the morning. Last night we went there to buy the tickets, but they told us we can't get the tickets for the next day. I'm gonna also show you a bit closely later the sculptures of the basilica, which is very nice and lots of detailing. But yeah, it's really nice. Hey guys, so we went to sort out our gondola ride for the evening and to reserve it kind of, but apparently you don't need to reserve because you can just go there. And very important, it's all cash, so they don't take any card. And when I asked the guy, hey, do you take card or only cash, he said cash, hand, arm, gold, blood, anything except for card. So yeah, he was joking, but yeah. Ensure you have some cash if you want to do some gondola ride in Venice. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm walking towards the main church in the Basilica of San Marco. I'll show you the facade, and I'll also show you the detailing that they have in their structure, which is very amazing. I mean, how years ago they could do such kind of architecture and amazing facades. So yeah, let me show you. So guys, now that we have seen the basilica, the facade, and the small minute detailing, we're now gonna go to the bell tower. So it's quite big, you see. We're gonna buy the ticket to go in. I think the ticket is 10 euro per person to get in. So yeah, let's go. So guys, we are now inside the bell tower. We bought the ticket, 10 euro per person, and then now we got in and we have to wait for the lift. And once we get the lift, we'll be up. Sorry guys, I know it might be a bit windy, so my voice might be breaking, but from this facade of the bell tower, you see all the houses of Venice and the roofs. It's really amazing. I wish I could fly a drone and take the top view of that, but it's not allowed in Venice, so look at this. So guys, that small island is the island of San Giorgio. There's a small church over there. Hey guys, welcome back. So we're gonna end this video here. I hope you liked the street of Venice the way I showed you, and please do like, share and subscribe this particular video, and tell me in the comment section what you think about this whole series. And please do watch out for the next one, because that's gonna be really interesting. We are hoping that it doesn't rain tonight, so then I can show you a bit of the nightlife of Venice, and also about how it is in the night watching the sunset with the gondola ride. So please do watch out, and thank you, take care, see you, bye.